Molly. Tonight I'm gonna do a fall inspired piece. So for you, those of you that don't know me, I am a fluid artist here in South Florida, but I'm originally from South Carolina. And in the Carolinas, the one thing that I miss about being here in Florida is seeing the leaves change. In the Carolinas, North Carolina, South Carolina, there's beautiful oranges and maroons and those kind of deep browns and greens. So that's the look that I'm going for tonight for this fall inspired piece. So I'm gonna go ahead and get you down on the canvas and get started. All right, hey guys, I'm using my Lolivefi mat tonight, and I wanted to show you before I do the pour what I do with my skins before I make them into magnets and use them. So I put them in these little sheet protectors, and you can see beautiful skins. So not only do I use what's on the mat, look at those, they're gonna be beautiful. You wanna make sure that you lay them flat because they will stick together. The paint is very sticky before it actually cures. This one, see, it didn't, and it's already like ridged up. But look at these. These came out of my colanders and they have holes. I think I might do something with a shadow box, but for the inside, those are beautiful. Look at the inside designs on these, and I have tons of them. Y'all, I have so many. Oh my gosh, look at that one. This one was actually done by one of my students that came for a private class. It's awesome. Let me see here. There we go. So aren't these amazing? This one, look, it's so sad. Had a hole in it. But the inside will make a beautiful magnet, and I think the ones that are kind of perfect circles, they almost look like chainsaws to me. I might do some type of shadow box or something where I glaze over it and harden it a little bit and then make them into like a 3D shape. But I just wanted to show you guys, you can put these in sheet protectors, you can keep them for a long time, and you can use them so there doesn't have to be any waste. But they peel up so easy from the Lolivefi mat, the silicone mat. I was lazy and didn't clean the rest of my mat off, but see, it just peels right off. All the little pieces, they just peel right off. So I'll tell you what colors I'm using as well since I'm here. I mixed an orange. I'm doing kind of like I said in the beginning, kind of a fall inspired pour tonight. So I mixed up a couple different colors, a Bordeaux red and a vermilion to get this beautiful orange color. It reminds me, it's reading red on here, but it's actually very orange, like a dark orange almost. Reminds me of kind of fall, and that's what I'm doing here, kind of Halloween, kind of leaves changing. This is a Van Dyke brown. Got my Bordeaux red I'm in love with, bronze, copper, no gold in this one, and then I've got deep green. So I'm using all Arteza colors. And I've got my link to $5 off the Lolivefi mat and 10% off the Arteza if you guys are interested. But I love the Arteza colors, the big box of colors, because like I only used this tiny little amount of red. I think I might have actually used this twice already. And I still have all this color left, and I'm gonna get a 2 foot by 2 foot painting out of that with using all these other colors and negative space. So I love going into that box and finding colors that I wouldn't normally do anything with, you know. I normally just buy my blues and purples and stick with my normal colors, but this branches me out and I love it. So anywho, I am gonna go ahead and get you started on the canvas. Okay, so I have already put down a layer of white. This is my house paint mixture white. I am gonna pop a couple air bubbles. So some of you guys have been asking me where I get my stands from, and those are from Home Depot. I think I'm gonna do kind of like I did Run for My Money. I think I'm gonna do it along the, like a kind of sporadic. And I don't want too much paint. A lot of times I end up with too much paint and I end up blowing it off and losing my design, so. Oh, this red. I don't normally work with red in my pours, but man, it is really, really pretty. I think I'll go with the copper next. That was a lot of copper. That's some over there. Then I'll go in with the green. Hoping that the green doesn't overpower this, but I was really feeling it for this pour. Whoops, I'm such a klutz. I just sent the stick flying everywhere over there. But yeah, I was really feeling the green, kind of that muted green color for the pour. Let me see, do I want any more brown? Maybe just a touch more brown, like right down the center. And then definitely this red again. I'm gonna use up all the red. And I think I'll use up all the orange because that is the type of pour that I wanted. Now you guys, I said don't use too much paint, darn it. As I go to add more paint. Okay, I'm gonna stop right there. So I'm gonna come around this with the white. Now you guys, if you guys are having problems with your Dutch pours, make sure that you have enough white on the background so that the paint can flow. Make sure that it's thin enough. It's not your blow dryer. It's likely the consistency of your paint, okay? And I'm gonna blow this over itself. I use low and then just do small bursts of cool. More white. Now I want to point this out. So in the center of the painting, I do not want the paint to pool. So I put more white on the outside here so I could flow this off the edges. Up here, I want it just to flow and not sit in the white and the white swallow it. So I didn't put a ton of white in the middle. Okay, I'm putting the white around the outside to help it flow towards the edges a little. Okay, I'm gonna blow this out. Let's see. Oh, there's that beautiful red. There's that orange. Okay, so I'm gonna take a look. I have all my house paint cells popping up here. This part right here in the middle got a little bit muddy, and so did this orange up here. So, I like that that's soft. This part just right here in the middles, I wanted the orange to be more predominant. So I think I'm just gonna wipe But that'll make a nice skin on my lily duffy mat. I think I end up fixing these large pores, but if you're not happy with it, don't leave it. So I'm gonna pour some more white up here in this corner. And pour some more white right here. That's why you always make enough white. Okay. Okay. Just on low, just gonna push this white around to meet the other colors. Kind of like the S shape, but I'm gonna blow just a little bit into here. So now time to add more color and to fix. Good thing I didn't use all my red, because that's where I want my red, right here. Just to come off the end. And then this little green part here. Not loving that. You guys will see when I take you down what it looks like. And then up here, I wanted that to be this bright, maybe a little bit of the bronze, since those are kind of similar. Oh my God, you guys, I dropped everything. My brown kind of got lost in there. That's okay. That's all right. That's more what I was looking for on that side. And that's what I was looking for on that side. Now just to fix this one last little piece, I will be done. And I think I'll go with the green right in here. I might blow a little bit more green right through there. And then that green, I did like that contrasting green right there. So there we go. I like it now. Yes, I do. I like it. Fall inspired colors, a little bit muted color palette for what I normally do, but I love the little burst of color that are in there. I love the organic cells that I get from oh man, from the house paint. I really like it. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna take you down. Okay, I'm gonna start in this corner right there. So that's what I'm talking about, those organic cells that come from the house paint. It's kind of soft there on the edges. I love those pops of color there with the orange and the green. You guys let me know what you think of this color combination together. It's kind of soft. I love the brown and the maroon right there. I'm so glad that I fixed that part. All those beautiful cells that just pop right up. Yeah, I really like this now. So I will show you guys what this looks like dry, and I will see you guys in a little bit. All right, guys, so this is what it looks like hanging on the wall. You can't really pick up that well because it's almost dark here, the shimmer, but I love how bright the colors are kind of peeking out from underneath there. You can get a little bit of the shimmer there. How bright the colors are peeking out from underneath there. The cells came out really cool. So I really like it. The maroon, I liked it if it hadn't mixed with the white quite so much, I think. Because it blended to like this pinkish color. But overall, I'm happy with it. Maybe I wish a little bit more gold and bronze had come out, and definitely more orange. So I don't know if it's really fall inspired, but I really like the color combination. So I may have to give it another go with the fall inspired orange colors, maybe less green, less maroon, and more orange. I don't know, we'll see. All right, you guys, hope you liked this one. Thanks for watching. Happy painting. Bye.